Hi guys, and today we have a Poopsie slime surprise, and we're just gonna redo something that was really funny when Sienna got slime squirt in her face.
Okay. I don't know how to shake it.
It's drooling. It bubbled. Spit up on her shirt.
How is this?
Are you?
Nope.
Did it get on your shirt, Sienna?
No.
Water got on her shirt. That was the epic fail. The last time, the slime got stuck on her shirt, so she had to go in bed in the bathroom.
Yeah.
And
It's like a
this
jumper.
is mine bowl.
No, yours doesn't look glue. Let's mix them.
No.
Aww.
Okay, Let's continue. Take your unicorn magic packet.
Where's the unicorn magic packet?
And so
This is my criddle. And this is Emily's.
Okay, so you set it flat on the table, and then you take your unicorn magic. You squirt it.
Slime is awesome.
Did you put it in the middle? Look it.
I got the unicorn fail.
Second fail, Sienna. Second fail.
Yeah, you're close to powder.
Sienna, I feel so bad for you. You have 2 epic fails, and I got like 9. That's not fair.
Maybe I should get more water.
What are you doing? You're getting another epic fail.
I'm not. I'm trying to clean up the table.
Oh, look at this. It's getting shiny.
Oh.
Shiny.
Look at this. Now the table's getting shiny.
Yeah, we kind of. Sienna, I think you kind of.
Don't put it on me.
You gotta put it on your slime.
Oh, let's try to put it in here.
Okay, so.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, it's working. Yay.
Welcome to Handsome Top.
Now it's awesome slime. Awesome sauce.
It wasn't very fun when,
Yep, load up.
she had the 2 epic fails. Look at, she's making it worse.
I'm not.
She's making it better.
I'm not making it worse. I'm making it better.
Thanks, man.
The epic fail. How is it actually gonna be epic fail when we have awesome slime?
No, look at mine. Mine's like shimmery now.
All of
That's
those
not-
are shimmery.
Mine's smaller than Sienna's because mine was supposed to poop and be bigger, but
But
it didn't work.
mine is small too.
So I have to keep on improvising.
Oh, why do you have a crack in the middle of the table?
Don't do
Why did I have 2 epic fails? What did I do? Too much epic fails on you?
Come on, you gotta put the unicorn magic on.
Yummy! I already put unicorn magic.
Look how much unicorn magic I actually put in there.
Wait, where's my unicorn magic?
That's your unicorn magic.
Oh, I need too much.
All of it.
I used all of it.
They didn't.
I did.
No, you should have done it over something. You're kind of making it worse. Look at mine's actually pink. Really light pink.
Oh, this is getting even worse, Emily.
Look at what you doing. See, I feel bad for her that I can't do this. She will.
I am not surviving.
I am gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it right.
Why are you singing?
Because I'm gonna get it right and we're gonna keep on having epic fails. So it's kind of cool.
I know epic fail because mine just got all down.
Oh, I'm not gonna get that.
No, get off that.
Why is yours so bigger than mine, but mine's stickier than mine?
Mine is
Mine's stickier than Sienna.
Hello, I'm awesome. I'm so cool. Look at my tattoos. And there. I like the one.
Don't mind her.
Don't mind her.
Hey, that's what I said.
Well, you can say the same thing.
You can't.
I don't care. I just love getting epic fails.
Yeah. And getting in trouble every time you make an epic fail.
Yep.
Wait, I'm still putting on my unicorn magic. Whoa, I'm losing all my
How
slime.
are you still putting on your unicorn magic? I don't know if you can keep putting them on.
But epic fails, I can put on lots of epic fails.
This is Emily's. And I have a hole on my butt. Look at me.
Look at my hand.
Do you want some Doritos? Mine came with Doritos.
No, it's potatoes. I don't know what they're called. Potatoes. Potatoes.
Poop potatoes?
Okay. So next, the
Poop
next
potatoes?
step is
Oh, I cleaned up the table.
tear open unicorn shimmer.
Aww.
Hey, why you not?
on? Nice with glitters.
So pretty.
What is so pretty?
Look at this. Look at my unicorn shimmer.
Where's my unicorn shimmer?
It's right in front of you.
No, it's not. Oh, this is unicorn shimmer. I should have did this. I have more to clean up more. I'm not happy.
Maybe get some shimmer on those. No, it's
You need to clean up your mess over here.
Oh. I love this. I love my unicorn shimmer.
What's unicorn shimmer?
It's glitter. Sienna, yours is gonna be like, I think it's gonna be like glitter or something. Oh yeah, it's gold glitter.
Because mine
This
is
is too much glitter for me.
I put all my glitter.
Glitter. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it.
Unicorn shimmer. I put it on my glitter. This is how you do it when you put all your glitter on it. And then
No, you gotta mix it up. Look at mine. Look at mine.
Who do you think is better?
Mine.
No, don't pick us.
Why?
Because I just don't want you to. Now we need to pick up the table again.
What? Pick up the table?
I mean, wash the table.
Sometimes you say stuff you don't mean to say.
Yep. This is the best day ever. Of my life. My hand. High five.
My hand? Like this. And then here's my slime.
At the end of the video,
Comment down below. Tell me which slime looks better. Please say mine. Mine really does. Mine's pink. Yeah, yours is orange.
and you can see the next